Happy Monday, everyone. Let's get into it because the peace talks collapsed and the situation just escalated again. President Trump ordered the U.S. Navy to blockade the Strait of Hormuz effective immediately after negotiations with Iran fell apart, directing forces to interdict any ships that paid tolls to Iran for passage. So the U.S. is now actively enforcing control over the world's most critical oil choke point. Brent crude surged 8% at open to $104, and U.S. crude rose over 10% as markets digested the breakdown in talks. Trump stated the U.S. has much more oil than Russia and Saudi Arabia combined and noted that boats are now coming directly to the U.S., and he threatened to impose 50% tariffs on Chinese goods if China provides any military aid to Iran, adding yet another layer of geopolitical tension. Pakistan deployed 13,000 troops and fighter jets to Saudi Arabia as the regional military buildup continues. Odds of zero Fed rate cuts in 2026 rallied to 40% on Kalshi, so the market is increasingly pricing in a scenario where rates don't move at all this year as the oil shock keeps pushing inflation higher. Over $316 million was liquidated from the crypto market in the past 24 hours, and there's over $4 billion in long positions that would get wiped if Bitcoin drops to close the $67,180 CME gap. So the leverage in this market remains dangerously high in both directions. Michael Saylor hinted at buying more Bitcoin with the message "Think Bigger," and the S&P 500 gained 38% in the year following a similar extreme oversold condition last April, so history suggests the pain doesn't last forever. Trump claimed he created the greatest stock market in history, and it's a massive earnings week with JP Morgan, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Goldman Sachs, Netflix, TSMC, and ASML all reporting, so there will be plenty of catalysts beyond the geopolitics. In altcoin news, the official Trump meme coin is down roughly 96% from its all-time high, and Tron founder Justin Sun accused the World Liberty Financial team of illegally blacklisting his token wallet, which prompted them to fire back, accusing him of playing the victim to cover up his own misconduct so that drama is getting messy. That's your Monday recap. The Strait of Hormuz blockade changes the game again. Make sure to follow, and I'll catch you right back here tomorrow.